It's Gina with Nailed It DIY Studio Hickory, and I am coming to you live from definitely one of my favorite spots, but in a new location. So here I am at sweet Miss Riley's house. Say hey, Riley.
Hi.
So we are in the dining room, okay? As you know, oftentimes when I go live, it's in the dining room because the weight of my heart is through my stomach, guys. So we love some food around here. But we are so excited to show you our DIY hot chocolate bar. Okay, so that's what we're doing tonight. And I've got some awesome little helpers here, and we're going to show you how fun it is. And I'm going to tilt us down just a little bit here. So we're going to show you how fun it is to make your own stirs, like to put in your hot cocoa, right? You got to stir it up. Yeah, so we're going to show you how easy that is. So we've got some fun ingredients, and then we're going to show you guys what we've got behind us. So once you've made these, how you can set up your own hot chocolate bar at home. Okay, so you got to have marshmallows. So you can see here, we have got some marshmallows. So I'm going to show you some of our ingredients. Marshmallows, right? Candy canes. Girls, what else do we have here? Chocolate. Okay, so these are chocolate chips that were just melted in the microwave. Okay, so that's all you've got to do with those. So you're going to get your marshmallow. Riley's going to demonstrate for you because she's awesome that way. So you get your marshmallow, dip it into the chocolate. So she's dipping it in here. And then what we also have, Riley, you want to show them? So these are candy canes that have just been crunched up, right? So you've got like candy cane bits. Would you describe those as bits, Riley? Candy cane bits, little candy cane pieces. So you dip it in the chocolate, dip it into the candy cane bits. Sophia has been enjoying this here. And then you're going to take a larger candy cane and you're going to stick that inside the marshmallow. Okay, I've got some lovely chocolate fingers. Anybody else got chocolate fingers? So you've got this cute little stick there. So once you've made your hot chocolate, then you can take your candy cane stick, candy cane stir, whatever you want to call it, right? Stick it down into your mug and use that to stir it all around. So awesome, fun, right? What do you think, Sophie? Is it yummy? Yeah? You didn't taste it? Riley, what do you think? Is it good? Think it's going to be good? So then you can just stir it all around and have fun making the hot chocolate. And this is such a great way to get the kids involved. So if you're looking for some fun at home, something simple and easy, way to involve the kids and maybe a new tradition to start, then you should consider making your own hot chocolate bar. What do you think, Sophia? Should they do it? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to show you a few things behind us, okay? So I'm going to raise us back up just a little bit. So behind us, what we've got here is out on this buffet table, we've got some cute little things. Once you've made your candy cane stirs, some cute things to set up your hot chocolate bar. This also is just a really fun way if you're having friends over, right? It'd be a great little friend activity to do. Just something fun. Thank you, Deidre. Just something fun to do with the family, with the friends. Super easy and, you know, doesn't cost a lot of money to make your own hot chocolate bar. So what we've got here, mugs, gotta have those, right? Got the mugs, we've got our hot cocoa, hot chocolate, hot cocoa mix. Now, if you are super DIY, then you want to make your own hot cocoa mix, right? Instead of buying it in the packages. Riley, does your mom make her own hot cocoa mix? I figured that. Y'all, she's really awesome at that. And she makes really good cookies too, by the way. It fell off. So I'm not surprised, Riley, that your mama makes her own hot chocolate. Okay, me, I bought the kind in the packages. Okay, so you can do that too. So you can see behind you, we've got some cute little canisters. Okay, Sophia, duck your head. There we go. Okay, cute little canisters. Okay, cute little tree. Don't y'all love this Coke crate? Isn't that adorable? And then we've got the rest of the hot chocolate fixings that you need, right? If you're making your own hot chocolate. So over here behind Riley, we've got some more marshmallows because I don't know about you guys. Riley, do you love marshmallows in your hot chocolate? I mean, you gotta have those, right? It's a necessity. So we've got those. We've got some more candy canes back here. And then we've got, okay, I'm going to say this name wrong. I think it's Pyroline. Okay, I'm getting the nod that I'm saying that good, so that I'm saying it correctly. So Pyroline sticks, because if you have not put those in your hot chocolate, you're going to want to. It's just a perfect accompaniment. Do you like those, Riley? Yeah, perfect accompaniment to your hot chocolate. So those are in the background. And then, of course, no cute DIY hot chocolate bar is complete without some cute signs. So we've got Baby It's Cold Outside over here. And have you guys been noticing this beauty? In the studio, we have this awesome personalized hot cocoa sign that you can make. And this is something when you're thinking about longevity in terms of your decor and what you would come into the studio to make. Okay, it's November. So even if you're not, like, let's go ahead and celebrate Christmas, which I'm just going to go ahead and throw Riley under the bus. True confession here, okay? When her mama pulled out some of these lovely things to pull together our hot cocoa bar, she made a stink face about it, okay? She did. And, you know, I don't know that we need that kind of negativity around here. But I will say she was a good sport, and so she totally saved it by jumping in here to make our little craft and help Sophia. So we'll forgive you, Riley, okay, for your lack of ready to do Christmas on November 4th spirit, all right? But this is the kind of sign you can put it out now, and like you can at least leave this out through February, right? You're going to get a lot of mileage out of that sign. So if you love this and want to make that, the link is in the video description. So go click that link and sign up to come and make a sign. Meanwhile, we've got some yummy treats to eat. Sophia is rather enjoying that. Is it good? Yeah, we've got some yummy treats to eat and some fun to have with our hot cocoa bar. So you guys have a great evening, and we're going to see you in the studio real soon. Can y'all say bye? Bye.